Then take a look at the DURATECH 14-piece Universal Impact Shallow Socket Set. So there it is. That is all metric. We got a 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So no skips between a 5 and a 15 all the way down to the 5.5. Pull this guy out of here. It does have a plastic ring on the outside, so you're not just beating up whatever you're working on. That is labeled, so you know exactly what size this is. It has a 1/4-inch drive on one side, and we got a 15mm on the other. Now this is the largest size. This is the 15, and we can see for the most part it does hold, but if you got to rattle it around a little bit, it will fall. With the smaller size, that is not really a problem. This one pretty much holds wherever you need it to be. It does also come with 2 adapters for an impact. So we got a 1/4-inch hex on one side and 1/4-inch square on the other. Now, I do also have the 3/8 drives. And if we compare those are quite a bit narrower on the drive side. The 15mm, of course, is about the same. Interestingly, the head is actually a little bit longer on the 1/4-inch drive, but the overall length is a little bit shorter. The bend appears to be about the same, and they're both drilled down so that you can fit that detent in to lock these in place. Now, if we go down to the 8, that's the smallest size on this set. Looks like the head is about the same length. The adapter is quite a bit smaller. So if you need to fit this into a tight area, this is going to be the one that you want. Most of the time I use these with an impact driver anyway, so having that smaller size is going to help to get into tighter areas. I also have to say I really like this foam insert. Having an organizer like this where everything is easily visible, also having these cutouts so you can easily pull these guys out, that is very nice. So if I want to get this bolt right here, you can see I can kind of grab onto that, but the angle of the ratchet is not that great. Chances of me stripping that out are quite increased. This guy can swivel. You can get attached to that, spin that guy right out. And being able to do that with speed also comes in handy. So overall, that is a pretty sweet set.